far from you.
Are you live in the country?
Yep, I live in Canada. You live in Canada too.
You live in Canada, and I live in Canada too.
Mhm.
We all sing the Canada song.
Yes, we do.
Can you sing this Canada song?
Nope. Hello, what is your name? What is your name? Your name. What is your name? What's your name? Your name.
He's a little too young to tell you, Steve.
Young.
A phone or a camera will be the best for us.
Yes.
How old are you?
I am 14.
How old are mine? How old are me?
Are you 2?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm 2 years old. What is this? I double. Is it F double? You can make 2. 2, 3. That's 8.
What did you think of the skiing today, Paige? Did you like going downhill on the skis?
Okay.
What was that?
Here.